Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today, the price action of Bitcoin has dropped more than 17.5% in a single day. It was moving around somewhere at $33,600 and dropped up to $27,700. And now it is moving around at $31,000. So in today's video, we will try to understand whether the price action of Bitcoin is going to start a big correction rally or it will be recovered and this bullish rally will be continued. Now, I would like to recall this pattern that I shared back in December, in the mid of December. And before that, I also shared this pattern in the month of November as well. When the price action of Bitcoin was moving between $17,000 to $18,000, and in the mid of December, it was moving around at $20,000. And I told you that this is the final leg of the bearish butterfly, and it can be dropped from here. And now I'm going to play this chart. You can see that it has spiked in this potential reversal zone, even beyond this potential reversal zone, and still it is moving above this level. So this can be the same kind of move that we had previously in the month of May to April. Let me show you my previous chart with you guys that I shared with you in the month of April 2020, when the price action of Bitcoin completed this final leg of the bullish guardian move and entered in this potential reversal zone. At that time, we also had a very powerful spike beyond this potential reversal zone. And now if we take a look at this current move, then the price action has spiked beyond this potential reversal zone and it is getting reversed here in this PRZ level. Even today it was entered in this potential reversal zone again. So it can be a same kind of move that it is spiking beyond this potential reversal zone, but we will not have the monthly closing above this a potential reversal zone, and it will be reversed from here from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Like here, the price action reversed from this potential reversal zone. I'm just going to play this chart. You can see that it was reversed and rallied more than 400%, and even it has crossed this 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level that we are expecting here. Because in this situation, the current situation, it is, in my point of view, it will be really very difficult that the price action will cross down this level like it crossed here, because we have so many supports. For example, the basic and first support will be in such situation, this EMA 21 and EMA 10 on the weekly chart. If the price action will drop between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, as per Fibonacci sequence of the bearish butterfly move, then after that divergence, it can retest the EMA 21 that is around at $18,500 at this time. And this is the same level where we have this 0.382 Fibonacci project retracement level of this bearish butterfly pattern. Now, if we take a look at the live daily chart, this is the 4-hour chart, sorry, and previously we have seen that it was moving in this rising wedge pattern, and I told you it is a bearish reversal pattern as per traders community. But when it broke out in my previous video, I shared my analysis. It can be a fake out, not a breakout. You can also watch my previous video on the Bitcoin. That was the BTC crossed $31,500. Is this breakout or fake out? And here I shared my analysis that it can be a fake out because we already entered in this potential reversal zone on the monthly chart. So now the price action is finally reversed and entered in this wedge. Now it is using this wedge support again. And if we take a look on the same 4-hour chart, I've placed this trend line here, then we are still in uptrend on the 4-hour chart. So this retracement or this drop is nothing if the price action has spiked beyond $34,000 and it has retraced up to $27,500. So this retracement is nothing unless we will not have the broken supports from the smaller time period charts, and then they should be reflected on the longer time period charts as well. So at the smaller time period chart, we have this very good trendline support that is not broken down, even though the price action is trying to break it down. If it will be broken down, that will be the first signal that we can have a bearish move or bearish rally or bearish trend on the smaller time period chart. And I'm looking for more bearish signals for the starting of the bearish reversal or a big correction rally that I have already shared with you in my previous video, that I'm looking for the bearish divergences from the smaller time period chart up to the midterm time period chart, that is the daily chart. For example, if we take a look at this chart on the 4-hour small time period chart, today the bearish divergence was appeared. Like if we take a look at the price action from here, it was moving to the upside, and but in the meanwhile, this RSI was moving to the downside. It was in the downtrend. So this was the bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart. But if we take a look on at the daily chart and on the 12-hour chart, then so far these bearish divergences are not synchronized. We can see that the RSI is synchronized with the movement of the price action. So this is really very small correction at this time. We need some more signals, and a very big signal, in my point of view, will be this EMA 10 and EMA 20 as well. If on the daily chart we take a look at the EMA 10 and EMA 21, then price action is using during this bull run that was started in September. On the daily chart, the price action is using these EMAs very well, and these EMAs did not form a bear cross or death cross with each other. And once it will be happen, this smaller time period chart, smaller time period moving average will cross down this bigger time period moving average. Then we can expect it a downtrend, the starting of the downtrend and the ending of the uptrend on the daily chart, on the midterm and on the short term as well. And now if we take a look on the hourly chart, very small time period, today the price action has formed this head and shoulder pattern as well. That is very clear. I'm just going to place this head and shoulder pattern tool here. Then we can see that the price action formed a head and shoulder pattern, and after the completion of this pattern, the price action broke down this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern as well. And in the meanwhile, the price action of Bitcoin also completed this bullish crab move. This was the initial leg, and after that it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 886 and retraced between 1.27 to 1.618. So this was the reversal zone for the price action, and the price action is reversed. So now we should wait for the price line to break down this level, this uptrend line on the 4-hour chart, and we should take a look at the EMA death crosses on the daily chart and the bearish divergences from the smaller time period chart up to the midterm time period chart. Then we can be confirmed that the price action can start a correction rally. However, the Bitcoin is still in the danger zone unless a monthly candlestick will be not closed above this potential reversal zone, and this bearish butterfly move will be invalidated. And if the correction rally will be started, as in my previous video, I also told you that I'm watching a very big move in the altcoins. For example, in the meanwhile, while the Bitcoin is going to start a correction rally, is likely to start. Today is the first signal we have received a bearish divergence for a smaller time period, on the smaller time period chart for some time. Maybe it will be the first signal. After some time, more situation will be cleared. If you take a look at the altcoins, for example, this is Monero. It is also completing this final leg of the bullish shark pattern, and it needs more drop to enter in this potential reversal zone. The XLM, the Stellar, is completing the final leg of this bullish bat pattern, and it needs more drop. Then we can see a sudden drop in all altcoins with the drop of the Bitcoin. But when these bearish legs will be completed, then these altcoins, especially the top altcoins, can start a very, very powerful bullish rally to the upside after the completion of these final bearish legs. By the way, these are also my suggested trades for my Patreon as well. If you are not following me on the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can join me there. That will be also very good support for my channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do share my videos as well, and take care. Goodbye.